We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
The most famous Hakka town in Taiwan is Meinong. Not only does it have the most highly educated population in Taiwan, with a record number of its inhabitants holding master's or doctoral degrees, it has maintained traditions in many areas. Meinong still produces tobacco. In fact, a quarter of Taiwan's entire crop. Every year from December to March, the tobacco crop is harvested and drying areas around farms festooned with drying leaves turning from bright green to yellow. Hello, 大家好，我是林泽修 Joseph Lin。Hello,
你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好 Alice 啊，nice to meet you 啊。You know, always hear her and David Wong doing this Hakka lesson of the day, and now it's time for me. So, 今天要教我什么呢？
我来教给大家，乜嘅东西係圓圓嘅，你知嗎？
圓圓嘅，你知嗎？怎麼？我第一次帶大衛的班，為什麼要罵我雞又罵我豬嘞？嘅啊，嘅唔是雞，啲唔是豬。
唔係啦，
唔是哦。
乜嘅東西係圓圓嘅，你知嗎？就是什麼東西是圓圓的，你知道嗎？
哦，圓圓嘅是圓圓的。
你知嗎？就是你知道嗎？
我唔知啊。
你唔知啊？那你不是豬？不是，你唔知係嘛？你唔知，如果你不知道的話，我老你講。我跟你說。
Okay, 所以今天 our Hakka lesson of the day, Alice is going to ask me, what is round? Do I know? 圓圓嘅你知嗎？
Q 就是球
球。
圓圓嘅 Q
A ball. Q
還有日頭。
這跟台語有點像日頭啊。日頭 That means a sun, huh?
日頭啦，圓圓嘅日頭。
圓圓嘅日頭。
還有圓角嘅。
唔知啊。
圓角嘅就是銅板，圓角嘅。
圓角嘅 A coin. Okay, that's round. 我們再 review 一次。
圓圓嘅 Q。
圓圓嘅 Q 就是圓圓的球 A round ball.
圓圓嘅日頭。
圓圓嘅日頭就是 A round sun.
圓圓嘅圓角嘅。
圓圓嘅圓角嘅。
圓角嘅。
這是 a round coin.
Yeah.
There you go. Very, very good. All right, so that's our Hakka lesson of the day. Thank you very much, Alice.
師母大家按字寫講來了。
按字寫講來了，終於講到了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Commission of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.